much, Jess. Last Dual Davao, we have a piloted a specific activity for our culture and arts sector. And we call it Kulay Cine plus Cine. So we transform the DCIPC compound wherein Cinematheque is located. So i-transform na namo into a culture and arts market, bazaar, and film festival ongoing sa sulod sa Cinematheque. So this is the first of its kind because we collaborated with Cinematheque. As you know, Cinematheque Center Davao is under the Film Development Council of the Philippines. No, ang mandato ana gikan gid sa kauluhan. So it is a physical center wherein they showcase different films, no, of Filipinos na mga masutin mong classic and everything. But we collaborated into them because gusto na mo ma-inline, no, ma-align ang ilahang ipalabas sa kung saan ato ginahimo din sa syudad sa Davao. So last Dual, we tested the waters because, you know, last year we called a summit, a gathering of all cultural workers, no, all 7 disciplines. Amo silang itapo kay sa inyong pagkabalo, this is our second year. The Office for Culture and the Arts and Heritage is a newly created office under the City Mayor's Office. So, tulad sa dugay panahon, mas may kabalutan na daghang ay talento din sa sunod sa Davao, wakit natin sila natapo. So, they were so happy after 30 years, no? Natapot sila usab last year, and mo nang ilahang ipagagawas na mulo. So, we are creating a platform for them, which we started last Dual. So, after that, giganahan din guys sila because they have given a space. So, masking gamay na pero mapashowcase din nila ang ilahang mga different crafts, no? Or mga disciplines. So, pag musulti kag art market, curated ni siya nga diin ang nagkalain-laing disiplina sa art na ato yung yatagan og luna. So, and apart from that, ang film is a very powerful tool, no, for education and transforming our katilingban. So, maunang daghang nakaayot ang mga films din sa atong syudad sa Mindanao o sa syudad sa Davao o sa Tibok Mindanao. So, we showcased last Dual, and this time, we call it Dayaw. Why Dayaw? It is a Ilocano term, Hiligaynon term, or Visayan term. No? Because in Kadayawan is all about bountiness, goodness. Ang Dayaw, it expresses the giving honor, giving it's an excellence, no? Ang meaning ana. So mo nang nalipay gyud ni kay ang atong food market sa Magsaysay, we call it kada-kada food market. And ang amua din Dayaw. So talagang inline lahat. So kung tanawon nimo, naga-elevate na gyud ang ato ang celebration for Kadayawan every year. So mao nang dito, we showcase different films. Kung mangutana mo po sa mga films, ang ano sa adi ay dili ni siya pareha sa mag-start po no hantod mahuman ang Kadayawan. Ang amo upat ni kaadlaw. It will open on August 10 and it will end up at August 13. So dinha sa sulod sa upat ka adlaw daghang ayong nahitabo. Our opening film is Tupok Imatoy, no, as it is a Manobo term, as it's translated the right to kill. It was first shown in 2018 and it was given different recognitions by the Urian, FAMAS, and it is directed by R.B. Barbarona, who is a Davaoenyo, and it is the screenplay, the scriptwriter is Arnel Mardocchio, who is also a lumad of Davao. So sila tong nag-appeal sila sa Sinimalaya and it won, and then na-recognize siya sa Urian, sa FAMAS, sa PMPC, no, nominated yun siya. And that's the first time our very own Davaoenos nagkaroon ng recognition. And also, as part of the short film festival sa sulod sa upat ka adlaw, ang Pastil. It is produced by Duwende Films, and it just recently won a Best Animation Award at Dubai. So, unya mapalabas po gihapon nato din. So we have, it is directed by Frankie, nadiri ang listahan, Frankie Arosena. No? Siya ang director ni Ana. And then other films, of course, we have a film of Teng Mangansakan, The Daughters of the Three-Tailed Banner. So all of our films, all about Mindanao people. Naalang ni feature nga isa, it is directed by Zig Dulay, an award-winning director who won numerous awards. Like recently, he won the best film sa Manila Film Festival and best director katong iyang Green Bones. No, si Zig Dulay directed an NCCA produced film called Black Rainbow. It is a story of the Aita children, no, in Zambales, in the hinterland of Zambales. Ay gusto na mo ipakita during this celebration of Dayaw, dili lang Mindanao ang nai-IP, kundi ang tibuok Pilipinas daghang kay indigenous people. So it is high time na ato agad silang to give a tribute to the first descendants of our country. So, and apart from that, padayon gihapon, from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m., we will be having an art bazaar, a curated art bazaar, art market, and food market. And we will be selling a lot of items coming from our Moro people and indigenous people. And then all other artisans nato, mamaligya dito sa gawa sa compound. O every night naatay mga buskers, mga musicians. So kung napulaan na mo paminaw sa mga kulintangan, agungan dito sa Magsaysay, just drop by at Palma Hill Street, no, DCIPC compound within Cinematheque. Dito open na siya at kung pwede mangaon, pwede mo tanaw og sini. So our films is from the whole afternoon until ang pinaka-last showing is 6 p.m. And then pagawas ninyo, dito na mo magtambay sa gawas. So this will be happening again on August 10 to 13.
Thank you, sir.